This is Noreen, heading the Department of Humanities in Presidency College, Bangalore. Having an educational background from Delhi University and JNU Delhi, and taking care of several courses and programs in the department. Also taking care of a lot of other activities which goes on in the department. There are a few things which I would like to talk about when it comes to BA and Presidency College BA. Why? So here we give you the exposure in terms of industry interface. We give you the exposure in terms of field trips. We believe in experiential learning. We also believe that our student needs to intern during their degree program itself. So we have a lot of internship programs and making it as a compulsory credit also course for the people to go out and learn in the field. There are quite a number of subjects which we offer in BA. The different specializations we have for BA is psychology, political science, economics, literature, journalism. So once you come to Presidency College, you have variety of different papers which you can venture and you can have a learning in. Whatever you are interested in, you can take it. And most of the syllabus is designed in such a manner that it meets the market standards. It's contemporary. We do not have papers which are very traditional. We have papers which is equipping the students to face the job requirement and the requirement which will be there in the market for them when they want to get placed. So something like photojournalism, or we have papers like lifespan psychology, we have public policy, we have international relations, we have literature, the traditional and the recent, how we talk about gender and linking it to gender, the literature part of it. And then we have journalism, which gives an exposure to mass communication and caters to the need in terms of broadcast and print media. Then students also make documentary, and that's where the filmmaking and editing and other things come into the picture. Economics is also given as a program to the students where they can go ahead and become an economic analyst or look into corporate world. Any of the papers which they are doing, people who are interested, students who are interested for competitive exams like UPSC state level exams, there are different combinations which we are offering, like political science and economics. Someone may be interested in taking, or someone may be interested in going ahead and helping in mental well-being and clinical psychology and corporate psychology. So we have different options which we gave in different combinations. So it is going to be helpful for people, and we have one of the best faculty in the city who are teaching the students of BA department. They are also having an industry experience, and they are, that's why, equipped to give the exposure which they need to face the market and to face the job interviews which comes. We don't only focus on the classroom teaching, we also focus on taking students out and getting reports from them or giving them few small projects, as we have a lot of memorandum of understanding with different newspapers and other things where they intern with an online newspaper, or they go and work with a NGO to work with children and find out the psychological aspects. They are giving the exposure in different ways, that how they can. We have talks when it comes to how to go ahead with competitive exams like UPSC or state level exams, and even for parliament or for the legislative assembly. So these are the different things which we offer the students. And apart from this, there are a lot of misconceptions which BA carries, that BA is not a high paid job, or why BA, and only people who are not interested, have not got good marks, they come to BA. We have some of the brightest students who are now placed in Times, who are placed in different, they are doing sports journalism, they are placed in different levels and different institutions as clinical psychologists, as corporate psychologists. We have people who are making or being a part of change making in terms of public policy, in terms of analyzing the data, content writers, digital marketing and digital media. So students go out from this place because in these 3 years they get a lot of exposure. And first and foremost, I think if you are a person who reads and you just don't read, like for example, now we know India-Pakistan issue going on. A student from BA definitely will not only read the news and leave it there. They are the people who will analyze, who will go into the critical part of it also, why and what is the politics, or what is the relation we have with other countries around us that is going into the making of India-Pakistan relationship. Apart from that, the content of it will be analyzed by students who are part of BA, because literature students and journalism students or political science students would want to access the situation why these things are going on around us. So communication skills, critical analysis, and looking at it from a point of human also, and we're looking at it from the point of psychological aspect also, is something which a BA student will do. They are more confident, I feel, when it comes to the way they present themselves in front of the other students in other colleges or in also the job market, because they have learned in their classroom through experiential learning and through the exposure how to analyze, how to give their own view. A student of BA just is not going to read something and just accept. They are just going to sit for some time and definitely come back with their own views. So I think BA teaches you communication skills, teaches you analysis, teaches you how to be a critical analyst also, teaches you to go into the depth of it and find out the reasons and what goes behind it. So definitely BA is picking up. Maybe if we talk 20-30 years back, it was different. We talk in different fields. Everywhere you need PR, and BA students also go for public relation, and they actually can be set of people who can talk from the point of view of the company or point of view of something which is going on, because they have learned how to write, analyze, and they are good in their communication skills. So that's all, and hoping that we'll see more and more people coming and joining Presidency College BA program to get the exposure and to get the oversight and to get a good future, which we are definitely going to guarantee when it comes to Presidency College BA department. Thank you.